Hey Kate, what are you unboxing?
Oh my gosh, we just got this amazingly heavy box from Pasco Scientific and I'm going to open it up. I'm so hyped. You know what's in here?
No, tell me.
Well, I wrote a grant proposal to get some SmartCarts and it got funded.
What's a smart cart?
Well, that's a really great question. It's not like a dumb cart. It's like a cart. It's a dynamics cart that has sensors built into it. And it's Bluetooth enabled.
And it has batteries that might actually catch on fire according to this label.
Wow, I didn't know that. I guess we could be the source of the next fire alarm.
Awesome.
So, wow, this is really tall. Look at all this paper. My gosh, look at this. It's the Pasco wireless smart cart in blue. It also comes in red, but I'm gonna open this blue one first.
I wonder if it has any charge on it to begin with.
I don't think so, but I set up a charging station with a bunch of micro USB cables already.
We should go check out the charging station next.
We should go check out the charging station next. My gosh, look at this. It even comes with a bumper and a plunger.
Why would you need a plunger?
Why wouldn't I need a
I
plunger?
mean, like, I know why you need other plungers, but what does the plunger do on a smart cart?
Well, check it out. When it runs into a surface, it bounces off, or you can spring load it.
Very cool. So, like when we're talking about collisions and conservation of momentum, yes?
Yes, and look, do you see how on this it has X, Y, and Z axis? Do you know what that's for?
No.
It's because it has a built-in accelerometer in 3 dimensions.
Okay, well that seems really cool that we wouldn't have to use motion sensors to measure the acceleration.
No, it's an accelerometer close to what's in your smartphone. And guess what else it has on it?
Tell me.
It has a force sensor built in.
Oh my God, I don't even know what to do with myself. All of these sensors.
So it'll directly measure force when you're pushing or pulling on it, so we can use it in collision and impulse experiments.
Awesome.
It also can act, if you mount it on a ring stand, it can act like a force sensor.
Oh, so many devices.
It
all in
basically does
one.
everything. And you know what else
Will
it does?
Will it wash my dishes for me also?
It won't, but it will directly record the velocity.
Okay.
So you can make all types of motion graphs with this. I guess it's like your all-in-one mechanics cart.
Very cool.
And it comes in red too.
Okay.
Very
wow.
jaunty.
So you can choose like what your favorite car color is.
But you know what else is in here?
What?
Apparently these
That's a
things are
runaway
pretty
cart.
durable, which is good because it's about to fall off the table. Where did my scissors go?
I usually turn my carts, or I tell my students to turn their carts upside down like a little cockroach.
That's a really great idea,
So
Miss Peters.
we just made it the cockroach.
Okay, well, in here is the thing that goes on top.
Oh, do you have students who are going to be coming in?
I do, but
Okay.
they can wait because I just need to unbox this final product.
Okay.
It's the smart fan accessory.
Oh yes, yes.
So I can turn it into a fan cart. There's some manual settings, so you can set it into like high, medium, and low. But you can also like wirelessly connect it to a computer and then set varying amounts of thrust on it. So we're gonna use this for Newton's second law lab on Monday.
I can't wait.
I can't wait either. I'm extremely hyped about this. Like I couldn't even control my hype in the science department lunch the other day. And the other teachers were making fun of me for it.
Well,
So
you know-
anyway,
I was going to say, you know what I'm excited about? Not practically chopping off my fingers with the old school fan that we had before on top of our carts.
it's
because
true.
It
Look
looks
how
very safe.
safely enclosed this
Yes,
is.
it looks super safe.
It is, and it also connects to the smart cards. So I'm really hyped about this. Think of all the experiments we can do.
Wow, thank you, Pasco.
There's at least 36 experiments we can do with this.
All right,